Are your children's uniforms ready for back to school? Well, the question this evening after TVJ News took some time with two tailors in Clarendon who are in a mad rush to complete their orders on time. As Jamaica Maitland reports, so far, it's not so good.
I got jail tonight. Around here we are sleep. Oh.
Pastor not leave.
Me? I ain't going nowhere.
A customer mockingly sings across from her tailor as he races to sew the uniforms for her children. Rowan Kelly says there is no way he'll be able to finish all this work in time for back to school.
Be a pressure right now, because we can't get to do what I do, because I was at night usually there till 12 o'clock. Now we can't there at 12 o'clock and enough uniform not done. So I know some people them get to go to school with them a uniform.
TVJ News spent the evening with two tailors in Maypen, Clarendon recently. Uniform materials all over, in piles, in bags, on tables. The orders recorded in an exercise book.
Look here, back to school 2024. Page. I try make minister money.
Mr. Kelly and Mr. Liston have been sewing school uniforms for years. Aside from the usual tardy customers,
Some of them come late. Down in August. Second week of August, they come that late.
this upcoming school year has brought on new challenges. First, it was Hurricane Beryl that affected the power for weeks.
Hurricane, man, and then truck light down just for one whole day. You have to sit down, no work. So uniform get piled up on you now.
Then came the state of emergency and now a curfew, both significantly reducing their working hours.
I've never left me here from 5 o'clock. Just the chairs so an extra uniform. Here out until 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock again. At 6 o'clock come so you have to go up on the interview because that's supposed to 6 o'clock.
The duo who work in the town centre also had more orders this year because power was restored to their shop earlier than others. They were hoping that the government would have delayed school reopening because of the disaster.
And the government should open school Monday. You should give them one next week so uniform can finish. So people can get to go to school.
The 2023-24 school year starts on September 3. Minister of Education Favour Williams says not all schools will reopen then. School administrators should assess the damage and make their own decision. The parents at the tailor shop understand the dilemma. It's why they're not totally blaming them.
Because of the curfew, he can't stay out to do the work. So,
But you don't seem like you want to move neither.
me? We are locked up in here tonight.
Scissors in one hand, phone in the other, Mr. Kelly struggles to respond to customers. They're all checking on the status of the uniforms.
You see me and be a pressure now.
The tailors admit that some parents won't get their full order, but they will ensure that the children have at least one new uniform for back to school.
No 5 persons them are coming late because enough of them have the money for coming or something. So all who want 5 uniform so I go get a one now. And person still have come up bigger come with a story. So you have to help out who you can help out right now.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.